Hey, listen, guys, you already know the swerve. You know, my dad's birthday, man. He be 50 years old, man. You know, listen, man. In case anybody happen to give a fuck, I got my funky dunks, boy. That's fat, man. Oh, I'm trying to tell these niggas, man. Say hi, fat man. Oh, that's it. Hey, Don. Hey, Don. Hey, say hi, Don.
Hi.
Oh, that. Period, poo. Hey, listen. That Swerve, 50 years old, man. You know? So check this out. Yeah. Oh, yeah, man. Oh, yeah, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Check this out. Sour cream, mashed potatoes. I got the corn on the cob, man. Oh, yeah. 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 The center cut pork tenderloin roast, man. I got the secret sauce on it, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let me get serious, guys. Listen, man. It's my baby girl, man. You know, it's fat back. She's 10 years old. You know, she be 11 years old now in November. My son Don turned 13. That's my young Junior. That's Junior. That's Junior. My oldest in the building. She sleep. I gotta wake it. Hey, let's wake the oldest up, man. Oh man, hey, Bud. Oh, she really is asleep. Look. Oh man, she really is asleep. Look. A little sneak peek. So I'm go.
You could have shown her, man. It's okay. You could have shown her. It's
Bang! We out. I love y'all. Peace. Maury Princess, you already know Uncle JuJu in the building. In case anybody happen to give a fuck. Uncle Nigga, baby. Oh shit, baby. Ooh.